Have you ever struggled to lift a small bag of groceries? Felt winded after just a few steps? If you're over 60, these are clear signs. Your body is losing strength day by day. But don't worry, this can absolutely be turned around. With a few natural powders you likely have in your kitchen, you can rebuild muscle, restore energy, and feel confident again. And the fifth powder in this talk, it's going to blow your mind. Stick around to find out why. Whey protein powder, your muscle's best friend. Whey protein might sound like something for gym goers, but it's a lifesaver for seniors too. It's a complete protein packed with all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, a key player in sparking muscle repair and growth. As we age, our bodies slow down at rebuilding muscle, so daily activities like carrying laundry or walking the dog can leave us sore or drained. Whey protein acts like a quick boost, delivering nutrients exactly when your muscles need them most. I suggest mixing about 20 grams, 1 scoop, into water, almond milk, or a smoothie with fresh fruit. Ideally after a light walk or stretch. You don't need intense workouts. Even gentle movement paired with whey can work wonders. Here's the catch. Quality matters. Choose whey protein, isolate, or grass-fed whey concentrate with minimal ingredients, avoiding artificial sweeteners or cheap fillers. Whey doesn't just build muscle, it keeps you fuller longer, reducing unhealthy snacking, and supports your immune system with natural compounds like glutathione. Picture starting your day energized, strong, and ready to take on anything. Curious about what could strengthen your muscles and your joints at the same time? Keep going. You'll love what's next. Collagen peptides, the foundation for movement. Collagen peptides are the unsung hero of aging well. Beyond helping skin or hair, collagen strengthens your muscles, tendons, ligaments, and joints. After 60, our bodies make less collagen, leading to stiff joints, weaker muscles, and slower recovery. I've seen seniors who avoided activity due to knee pain start moving confidently again after adding collagen to their routine. It's like giving your body the scaffolding it needs to stay strong and flexible. Using collagen is a breeze. Stir 10 to 20 grams into your morning coffee, smoothie, or soup. It's tasteless, dissolves easily, and delivers benefits over time. Research shows collagen boosts bone density, cutting the risk of fractures, which is a big deal as we age. If you've hesitated to pick up your grandkids or skipped walks because of creaky joints, collagen could change that. Go for hydrolyzed collagen from grass-fed sources for top quality. Wondering if there's a powder that could supercharge your energy while supporting your muscles? The next one's a hidden gem. Don't miss it. Spirulina powder, the ocean's superfood. Spirulina powder might look unusual, but this green algae is a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with complete protein, iron, magnesium, B vitamins, and a potent antioxidant called phycocyanin. I had a patient who could barely walk around the block without feeling exhausted. After adding half a teaspoon of spirulina to her smoothie, she said she felt recharged. More energy, less soreness, and a new zest for life. Spirulina improves blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles faster, which is crucial for activity and recovery. It also fights inflammation, easing muscle and joint pain that might hold you back. Mix half to 1 teaspoon with lemon water or a smoothie. Add citrus or ginger if the earthy taste is strong. Choose organic, third-party tested spirulina to avoid contaminants. It's like a daily dose of vitality for your whole body. But could a common kitchen ingredient do even more for your muscles and heart? You'll want to hear about the next one. Flaxseed powder. Power in a tiny seed. Flaxseed powder proves big benefits come in small packages. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, ALA, fiber, and lignans, it tackles inflammation, the main culprit behind muscle soreness after activity. I suggested a patient sprinkle a tablespoon of flaxseed powder into their morning oatmeal, and within weeks they felt lighter and less achy after chores. That's the kind of change that inspires me. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of freshly ground flaxseed to smoothies, yogurt, or cereal. Grinding it fresh maximizes nutrients, as pre-ground can lose potency. Studies show flax seeds' omega-3s aid muscle recovery and boost heart health, giving you stamina for daily life. It's gentle on digestion too, which is great if your stomach's sensitive. But what if a spice you already have could unlock even more strength and comfort? The final powder is a real surprise. Stay with me. Turmeric powder, the anti-inflammatory fire. Turmeric powder is more than a kitchen staple. It's a secret weapon for health. Its active compound, curcumin, is a powerful antioxidant that reduces inflammation and eases muscle and joint pain, making recovery smoother. I've seen seniors with nagging aches start moving freely after adding half a teaspoon of turmeric to their daily routine. It's like turning down the pain and turning up the vitality. Mix half to 1 teaspoon with warm water, milk, or a smoothie, and add a pinch of black pepper to boost curcumin absorption. You can even sprinkle it on roasted veggies or soups for a flavor boost. Research shows curcumin enhances blood flow, ensuring your muscles get more nutrients to thrive. This powder will surprise you, not just for stronger muscles, but for helping you feel younger and more energized every day. Take action today. Reclaim your strength picture. This, muscles strong enough to make every step steady, joints that move without pain, and energy that carries you through gardening, playing with grandkids, or enjoying an evening walk. That's the power of whey protein, collagen peptides, spirulina, flaxseed, and turmeric. These powders aren't magic. They're science-backed allies that thousands of seniors have used to transform their lives. Whey rebuilds muscle with essential amino acids. Collagen strengthens joints and bones. Spirulina boosts energy and fights fatigue. Flaxseed reduces inflammation and supports your heart. Turmeric eases pain and keeps you moving freely. Together, they help you live stronger, longer, and with confidence. Here's my challenge. Start today with one of these powders. Try a scoop of whey in your smoothie, stir collagen into your coffee, or sprinkle flaxseed on your oatmeal. Begin with a small dose, maybe half a serving, and see how your body feels after a few weeks. Consistency is everything, like watering a plant to watch it grow. I've seen seniors go from feeling weak and tired to standing taller, moving easier, and rediscovering the joy of an active life. You deserve that too. Don't let another day slip by, feeling less than your best. Pick one powder, make it a habit, and watch your strength return. Share this with a friend or loved one. They might need this spark too. Aging isn't about slowing down. It's about living smarter with the energy to embrace every moment. You've got this, and I'm cheering you on. Thank you for watching until the end. I truly appreciate every view, like, and comment from you. If you found this content helpful, don't hesitate to share it with your friends or loved ones. Your interaction is a big motivation for me to keep creating more valuable content. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment. I'm always happy to hear from you.